Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing a creative way to enjoy Soondae, one of Korea's soul foods. First, boil the Soondae for 5 minutes, take it out, and let it cool while we make the sauce. Mix 2 tablespoons ssamjang, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon perilla oil, and 1 chopped pepper. Cut the cooled Soondae and green onion into bite-sized pieces. Put everything into a large plastic bag along with some whole garlic cloves. Drizzle in some cooking oil and give the bag good shape to coat. Add 1 tablespoon potato starch and mix again until everything is evenly coated. Spread them on a tray and air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. Flip the sundae, drizzle a little more oil, and air fry for another 5 minutes. Once done, sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds, and it's ready. The Soondae turns out crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, bursting with nutty flavor. It pairs so perfectly with the rich, savory sauce. You're going to love every bite. Thanks for watching. See you next time for another Simple K meal.